Okay. What's up, everybody? It's Anthony, aka HALCYON, for the first time on my channel with my face. So I'm here today to talk to you about two things. First being, I personally wanted to say thank you to everyone for helping the channel reach 100,000 subscribers. It's been an insanely long road of shooting, editing, filming, uploading, and all that good stuff, and I really appreciate you sticking around, sharing the channel with your friends, liking, commenting, all that good stuff, especially with how inconsistent I kind of upload to this channel. Secondly, we are going to talk about a video contest that we will be hosting. A little bit of background on the video contest. Lately I've been getting into producing my own music for my videos, and recently I've been working on a song here. The original plan was to use it for one of my videos, but kind of came to an idea that it would be really dope to see how other people would use the song. So I wanted to put the song out there for open download, copyright-free use, and I want you guys to go absolutely crazy for your videos. We're going to turn into a little bit of a contest with rules and prizes and judges, so we're going to talk about all that good stuff right now. For the most part, I'm kind of doing this off the dome, so excuse me for chopping clip to clip. With this video being up right now, the contest is live. The song is streaming on SoundCloud and available for download, and I will play the track out at the end of this video so you can listen to it right after you watch me talk my head off. The contest will run for 8 weeks until Tuesday, July 31st at 11:59 p.m. By then, your submissions must be in. The winners of the contest will be announced Friday, August 10th. Now, to go over what we're looking for, all the rules and all that stuff, here we go. The track is about 3:30. School bus. The soundtrack is 3 minutes and 10 seconds in length, and however you use it is up to you, as long as you use 2 minutes worth. So however you want to chop it up, slice it up, that's on you. With that said, you can also run your video to 4 minutes in length if you want to allow time for atmospheric audio, room tone, dialogue between actors if you're going to do something with actors. Do not use any other songs. Use the song provided in the description. This next part might seem a little obvious, but it must involve cars. It doesn't have to be the main focus of your video. However, it has to involve cars, bikes, trucks, anything on wheels, because that is what we do. All types of media will be allowed, so that is digital video, film, stop motion, video games, or animation. However you would like to portray your idea is up to you. The submissions will be based on a few categories, being originality, creativity, composition, audio mixing, color grading, storyline, and continuity, just to name a few. There will be 4 winners, one from each category. So our first category will be best editing. So the piece that flows and you can watch it over and over again, that's the kind of stuff we're looking for the best editing category. Next will be best sound. So even though this is a soundtrack based video, there are still plenty of ways you can mix in other elements like exhaust audio, Foley, atmospheric sounds, and not only will it be a judge based on all these different types of sounds, but it'll also be judged based on how well it's all mixed together, so how the overall levels of everything are looking and how they are all applied. Next will be most original / creative. Simply said, this is the video that is really like no other ones that have been submitted. And finally will be best overall. Simply put, it's the best video from an edit perspective, shooting perspective, composition, story, everything about it. I will not be the only one judging all of these submissions. I will have the help of 2 friends helping me alongside the whole way in the judging process. The first one being this guy right here. I'm sure you know who that is, needs no introduction. Crispy Media will be helping me out alongside the whole process of the judging process. And second is my right-hand man in all of my Tuner Evo shoots and right-hand man in a lot of life. This guy, Sebastian. Check him out if you don't know him. Does awesome work, and he will be helping us out. Moving on is the prizes. So there will be prizes for each category that you can win from. Sponsored by a few good friends and homies who love the idea and wanted to be a part of it. Every person that wins will receive a Clean Society detail kit. That way you can keep those subject cars flawless on the spot or use it for your own car. Up to you. Karuma will be sponsoring the contest as well, providing some sweet t-shirts and sticker packs for each of the winners. The winner of Best Sound will also receive my entire sound effect library. It's over 10 gigabytes of samples and a bunch of tools that could help you out with your productions. The winner of Most Original will receive on-set tools to help you when you're in the field, things like gaff tape, multi-tools, bongo ties, lens wipes, and that is all sponsored by my buddy Brandon at Visual AutoWorks, who manufactures window vents and other neat little things. So check them out. The winner of Best Editing will receive a FaceTime or Skype editing session with me where we can go over your project, tweak it, however you see fit. And then the winner of Best Overall will receive a $100 B&H gift card so you can go crazy and put it towards whatever you'd like to put it towards. And then every single person that submits will receive 30% off my shop, good for stickers, shirts, lanyards, or even the digital downloads. Now the 4 videos that win will all be combined into a singular video and uploaded to my channel with links in the description so people can learn about your work, hear about your work, and go and check it out for themselves. Now moving on to how to submit, head to the link in the description below. When it's time and your project is done, fill out the form that's on the website with your name, email address, download link, the YouTube or the Vimeo link for me to watch it, and a little bit about your project. Tell us what it was like when you were on set. Did anything go wrong? Did it go really well? What was your favorite part? Tell us all that good stuff. Now when you are submitting your videos and you are putting them on YouTube and Vimeo for me and Chris and Sebastian to watch, leave them private. Do not share them, do not publicly upload them until the day after the contest, which is August 1st. On August 1st, you can set your videos live, share them, do whatever you'd like. That should just be about everything you need to know. Head to the description for the link to the song for you to download and stream, and then head over to the website, which will be listed right below the song, for you to read through all the rules again, make sure you understand them clearly, and if you have any questions, you can use the contact form on my website to email me with anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate the love. Really excited to check out all your content and see what you do with it. Peace.